We'll guide you through how to use Printify Personalization to enhance your products. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Printify website. Then log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the product catalog to choose a product you want to personalize. Click on the product and you'll be taken to the product detail page. Here, you need to click on the Start Designing button. This will bring up the design editor where you can customize your product. Look for the Add Text option in the design tools on the left side of the screen. Click it and you'll be able to enter any text you want to personalize your item. You can adjust the font, size, color, and even the placement of the text to suit your design needs. If you want to add an image or graphic, click on Add Image and upload your desired image. You can move, resize, and rotate the image to fit perfectly on the product. Make sure to check the preview to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Save Product to save your changes. You can then proceed to set pricing and publish your product to your store. Printify will take care of production and shipping whenever an order is placed. And there you have it, your personalized product is ready to be sold. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.